Have you ever noticed how guys who ride big bikes just feel different? More confident, louder presence, almost like they're running on a higher level of fuel? Well, what if I told you science might actually agree? Today, we're diving into a surprisingly interesting question. Do men who ride big bikes actually have higher testosterone? Or is it the motorcycle lifestyle that boosts testosterone over time? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible.
Do big bikes attract high T men? Some studies show that men with naturally higher testosterone levels tend to seek risk, speed, excitement, and activities that give them an adrenaline kick. So yeah, it kind of makes sense why a loud, powerful 1000cc big bike feels like home for them. High testosterone equals craving more thrill.
But here's the twist. Riding can boost testosterone too. When you ride a big bike, your body releases adrenaline, dopamine, and yeah, even testosterone. Why? Because your brain treats riding as a form of controlled danger and confidence challenge. The more you ride, the more alpha your brain thinks you are.
All right, before I tell you the real reason why big bike riders often look more confident than the average guy, don't forget to subscribe, because the next part explains something most riders have never heard before. Okay, ready? Let's continue. The confidence loop. Riding a big bike creates a cycle. 1. You face speed. 2. Your body boosts testosterone. 3. You feel more confident. 4. That confidence makes you ride more. 5. Riding more boosts testosterone again. This loop can actually shape behavior. That's why many riders say riding makes them feel more alive, more masculine, or more in control.
So, do big bike riders have higher testosterone? The answer, many do, but riding also increases it. It's both nature and lifestyle working together. If you liked this breakdown and want more motorcycle psychology, stories, and real rider content, hit like and drop a comment.